Good morning. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to discussing sourcing challenges in fashion business that we often face with our clients. And I'd like to share some strategies for success to help you overcome them. As the fashion industry continues to evolve, sourcing plays a critical role in the success of both startup ventures and business aiming to expand their reach. However, sourcing for the fashion businesses presents its fair share of challenges. Let's delve into the overall challenges faced by fashion entrepreneurs and provide critical solutions to overcome them. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your fashion business to the next heights, let's discover valuable insights and strategies to optimize your sourcing efforts. One of the key challenges in the fashion sourcing is identifying reliable suppliers who meet your quality standards. Research, referrals, and attending trade shows can help you connect with reliable suppliers. Establishing clear communication channels and conducting thorough supply assessments will assure the strong partnership. However, build a network of trusted suppliers by conducting thorough background check, requesting samples, and assessing their capabilities. Maintain open and transparent communication channels to foster long-term relationships, build on trust and reliability. Striking the right balance between competitive pricing and product quality is an ongoing challenge. Cost effective sourcing without compromising quality is essential for sustainable growth. Explore various sourcing options, negotiate pricing terms, and consider economies of scale. Building strong relationships with suppliers can help to obtain favorable pricing while ensuring consistent quality. Consider building programs that feed off of one type of fabrication that you could be able to commit with the supplier, which can help you drive costs lower. Expanding globally brings opportunities, but also complexities in terms of international sourcing and logistics. Overcoming language barriers, understanding import export regulations, and managing shipping timelines are common hurdles. Engage with local agents or consultants to navigate international market effectively. Stay updated on trade regulations, partner with reliable freight forwarders, and embrace technology to streamline logistics process. In today's conscious consumer market, ethical and sustainable sourcing practices are a must. However, finding suppliers who align with these values and ensuring supply chain transparency can be challenges. Conduct due diligence to verify suppliers' ethical practices, certifications, and commitment to sustainability. Implement traceability measures and engage in partnerships that prioritize fair labor practices, environmental stewardship. When sourcing from international suppliers, cultural and language barriers can hinder effective communication and understanding, leading to misunderstandings and delays. Invest in cultural sensitivity training and hire bilingual staff or interpreters to bridge the language gap. Embrace technology tools like translation software and conduct regular video conferences to foster clear communication. We tend to go a lot on emails, but try to avoid emailing everything without actually meeting face to face and understanding where particular vendor might be coming from. Sourcing challenges are integral part of fashion business landscape. But with the right strategies, they can be overcome. Be focusing on building reliable supplier relationships, balancing price and quality, embracing international opportunities, prioritizing ethical practices, and addressing cultural barriers. Fashion entrepreneurs can navigate the sourcing landscape successfully. I look forward to discussing more with you below in comments. And if you need help, feel free to schedule a brainstorm call with me and let me help you strategize how to overcome your challenges. See you next time.